Hello, it's Harry from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today we're back at Chesil Beach Holiday Park giving you a video tour around the Willerby Sierra with this beautiful bay window. So let's take a look around this beautiful Willerby Sierra. So in the front half of the holiday home, so this is your living area where you have a lovely corner unit, a bucket chair just there, a TV cabinet with storage underneath. Now don't forget, with every holiday home that we do sell, you do get your 43-inch smart TV included. Not to mention the fact that we do have unlimited super fast Wi-Fi. So where it's a smart TV, you can connect to Netflix, Amazon Prime, and even YouTube. As we move into the back half of the holiday home, this is your kitchen and your dining area. So you've got a freestanding dining room table with chairs. Do not forget there is an inventory included into every sale, such as knives, forks, pots, pans, kitchen utensils, you name it. In the kitchen, you're greeted with a lovely U-shaped style kitchen, which is fantastic for worktop space. You have your aluminium sink basin, integrated microwave, extractor fan, 4 gas burner hob with oven and grill, and all the drawers that you could ever wish for. Now behind the dining room table, you do have this storage cupboard, which does have your boiler in, but it's got plenty of space in there for your bits and bobs as well as your integrated fridge with freezer just below. So down the hallway, you do have your twin bedroom. So don't forget, this is a brand new holiday home. So your mattresses have even got the wrappers on them still. You've got overhead storage above the beds, lovely little bedside table. And in here, you do have your wardrobe, 3 drawers beneath, and even some cute mantelpiece space to the right of that. Opposite the twin bedroom, you will find your family bathroom, where you have a loo, towel rail, sink basin, and a shower. At the end of the hallway, the most important room of them all is the master bedroom, where you have a king-size bed with underbed storage, plenty of cupboard space, as well as mantelpiece space just above, bedside tables either side, somewhere to get ready in the morning. You've got a double wardrobe, which also has some drawers built in to the left-hand side, as well as a long rail just above. You've even got your very own ensuite loo, sink basin. So thank you for watching our video. If any of our holiday homes interest you and you'd like to own a holiday home either here at Chesil Beach Holiday Park or Bowleys Cove, please give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link in the description below.